Welcome back. In our previous lesson, we saw how to make use of inline CSS. Alright, how to write the CSS inside the HTML tag, and we got something like this. So today, I would like us to see how to design a page layout using boxes. Alright, so I want to create a new page and call it layout.html. Alright, so we're going to have our HTML tag, head tag, then the body tag. Alright, so for us to design the page layout using boxes, we make use of a tag called div tag. Alright, so make use of the div tag. So when you preview this, you still see a blank page. You see a blank page, right? So that's the div tag. Now we can style this div tag using our CSS. So I want to use the external CSS. Okay, let me just link style sheet href style.css. Alright, so now I want to style this div tag so that you can see what I mean by boxes, how we can use boxes to design the layout. So this is our CSS. Alright, I've linked the CSS to our layout.html. So when you look at it, you see that our page is green. That's the background color of green. That's because in our CSS the background color is green. Alright, so you cannot see the div, nothing is showing in the div, so we can style the div. We have a div tag here, div, whatever you want to call it. So we have a div tag here. We can now style it. We select the tag div. Alright, and then we can start the background color. Let's give the background color yellow. Now when we preview it, we still can't see any box, but let's give it once we can give it a height, we'll be able to see the box. So let's see something like height. We can give it a height of 50 pixel. Alright, so you can see that this is the div is 50 pixel. You can equally give it a width if you wish to, but we might not really be using the width now. Let's say width of 50%. Alright, so this is a width of 50%. Let me remove the width. Now I can have another div. I can have a second div. I'll say this is div 1, and then this is div 2. Alright, so okay, I place this text outside the div. So this is what I want to achieve. So this is div 1, this is div 2. The two of them are kind of joined together. There is no space in between. Now I want to give the second div a separate color, but it's not possible because the two tags are the same. The two tags are the same, div and div. Alright, so how can I achieve this? I can achieve this by making use of class. Class is like giving name to your tags. So you can give it a name, making use of class. So if I say class maybe box 1, I can now style the div named box 1. Alright, so I can now style the div named box 1, and the second div can be named class box 2. Alright, so now how do I select the div named box 1? We make use of classes. For us to select classes, we use a dot sign. So for us to select classes, we'll say dot box 1. Alright, then we open the curly braces. So dot box 1 will now be background color of red. Alright, and height of 50 pixel. Alright, you can see that box 1 has been styled red, but box 2 was not styled because it has a different name. So we can now style box 2 by saying dot box 2. Background color is yellow. Height is 50 pixel. Alright, so you can see we have styled the two divs. We've differentiated them by making use of name, or making use of class to name them. Alright,